Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add and remove attachments from records in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your HubSpot credentials. This ensures you have access to your CRM and all your contact records. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. For this example, we're going to work with contacts, which is one of the most common record types in HubSpot. Look over at the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on CRM. This will expand a submenu with various options for managing your database. Now, from that submenu, click on Contacts. This takes you directly to your contact list where you can view and manage all your contact records. Once you're in your contacts view, you'll see a list of all your contacts displayed on the screen. Browse through the list and click on the specific contact you want to work with. This opens up the full contact record where you can see all the details, interactions, and files associated with that particular contact. Now that you're viewing the contact record, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find a section labeled Attachments. This is where all files related to this contact are stored and managed. It's a centralized place to keep documents, images, and any other files connected to this contact record. To add a new attachment, click the Add button in the Attachments section. When you do this, you'll see two options appear on your screen. The first option is your computer, which allows you to upload files directly from your device. The second option is Existing File in HubSpot, which lets you attach files that are already stored in your HubSpot account. For this example, we're going to click on your computer to upload a fresh file from your device. After clicking your computer, a file browser window will open up on your screen. Navigate through your folders and find the attachment you want to upload. Once you've located the correct file, select it and click Open. The file will now begin uploading to the contact record. You might need to wait a moment while HubSpot processes and attaches the file to the record. Once it's finished, you'll see the attachment appear in the Attachments section. And that's how you successfully add an attachment to a contact record in HubSpot. Now, if you ever need to remove an attachment, the process is just as straightforward. Simply locate the attachment you want to delete in the Attachments section. You'll notice a small close icon, usually represented by an X, next to the file. Click on that close icon and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the file. Go ahead and click Delete to confirm. The attachment will be removed from the contact record immediately. So you've now learned how to add attachments from your computer and remove them whenever needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.